Did you know that 20% of all Valentine's Day gifts are jewelry? And nail designs are becoming just as popular. Let's explore how to combine these trends to create the ultimate romantic look. Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome to our community. With Valentine's Day right around the corner, love is definitely in the air. Today we're going to elevate the romantic spirit with a beautiful combination of jewelry and nail designs. A big thank you to She Said Yes Jewelry for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful She Said Yes engagement ring. I'll also be providing my affiliate link and discount code in the description box below, as well as the links to all of the products used in today's video. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now let's dive in. Finding the perfect jewelry and nail design for Valentine's Day can be a challenge, especially when you want something that reflects your personal style and the essence of love. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to decide on the right pieces and designs. But don't worry, I've got some great ideas to help you shine this Valentine's Day. Before we get to the final reveal of the ring, let's start with creating the perfect nail design to complement it. I'll be using the btartbox gel press-on nails to achieve a stunning Valentine's inspired look. This will set the stage for the ultimate romantic combination. So let's get started with the nails. First, let's prepare our nails by cleaning them and selecting the right sizes from the btartbox gel press-on nails kit. These press-ons are super easy to apply and come in a variety of beautiful designs. For this Valentine's look, I'll be using a color fitting for the occasion, and I'll add my own creative touch with a little more bling to make it extra special. Watch as I apply each nail and create a cohesive, elegant look that will perfectly accent the She Said Yes ring.
Shiver inside, doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my pants, now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, it's when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say now.
Now that our nails are done, it's time for the exciting part, the unboxing. Before we get to the final look, let's unbox the She Said Yes engagement ring. Inside this beautiful satin-filled box, you'll find the jewelry care card, a coupon, a gift bag, a pink satin ribbon, and a note card. Everything is so thoughtfully packaged, making it the perfect gift. And now, let's take a moment to appreciate the amazing quality jewelry box that houses this stunning ring. Let's take a closer look at this beautiful engagement ring from She Said Yes Jewelry. The She Said Yes ring features a round cut halo design with a 1-to-1 carat weight and white gemstones set in 10 karat gold. It's absolutely breathtaking. She Said Yes Jewelry is known for using high-quality, conflict-free stones, including lab-grown diamonds, moissanite, and lab-created gemstones. Their lab-grown diamonds are created using cutting-edge technology that replicates the natural process of diamond formation, resulting in stones that are identical in appearance and chemical composition to their mined counterpart. This ensures that you get a stunning, ethical piece of jewelry that you can cherish forever. And now for the highlight of our video, the final look. The combination of the She Said Yes ring and our Valentine's inspired nail design using the btartbox gel press-on nails is simply magical. This standout piece of jewelry, along with the intricate nail art, truly embodies the essence of Valentine's Day. It's all about creating an emotional connection and making this day extra special. In summary, we've explored how to enhance the romantic spirit of Valentine's Day with meaningful jewelry and beautiful nail design. Unlike flowers that wilt and chocolates that melt, the engagement ring from She Said Yes Jewelry is a timeless piece that lasts forever, showcasing love and elegance. I hope this video has inspired you to create your own romantic look for Valentine's Day.
Got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hair, it all goes away.
If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite jewelry or nail designs, and make sure to check out my other videos for more Valentine's Day inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time!